Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Kapoor. I'm part of the AI product management team here at Qualcomm. Today, I will be taking you through the developer journey of implementing AI applications on our Snapdragon X platforms. My agenda for today is to give you an overview of Snapdragon X platforms, AI developer ecosystem, overview of GenAI use cases, and collaboration with Microsoft. You would have seen the recent launch of Snapdragon X platforms in various form factors, unlocking the world of AI possibilities. Snapdragon X platforms bring on-device AI capabilities, and that will be our focus for this session. This platform is revolutionizing the way app developers create groundbreaking AI experiences. With its industry-leading 45 TOPS NPU neural processing unit, you can now unlock the full potential of AI directly on the device with minimal dependency on cloud-based processing. This means faster response times, enhanced privacy, personalized models, and the ability to run AI-powered applications even in offline scenarios. In addition to on-device NPU, Snapdragon X platforms boast a CPU and GPU that are 2x faster than the competing x86 platforms. This immense processing power enables you to deliver unparalleled performance in your applications, whether it's gaming, multimedia, or complex computational tasks. With Snapdragon X platforms, you have the tools to push the boundaries of what's possible in PC computing. It's purpose-built to run generative AI and is capable to run models with 13+ billion parameters on device. Qualcomm contributes towards well-known benchmarking applications like 𝗬𝗓𝗀𝗀𝗀 and MLCommons. With Snapdragon X platforms, we have achieved 3.5x better performance on 𝗬𝗓𝗀𝗀𝗀 score as compared to leading AI PC platform provider. This helps developers design AI applications that can run concurrently and still deliver uncompromised user experience. Let's deep dive into the NPU architecture in Snapdragon X platforms, which delivers peak performance, best-in-class performance per watt. It is fully software programmable and enables both machine learning and non-machine learning applications to run. The NPU architecture consists of a matrix processor, vector processor, and scalar processors. It includes a very tightly coupled memory for efficient memory transaction between vector and matrix cores. The memory processing unit is responsible for high-speed data transfer between the RAM and the VTCM. This NPU architecture supports integer 4, integer 8, integer 16, and floating point 16 data types. To develop and execute your AI models on this NPU, we have developed different AI runtimes. These runtimes support models developed in various frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and ONNX. Qualcomm Neural Processing SDK and Qualcomm AI Engine Direct SDK are Qualcomm proprietary and are for advanced developers. The SDK comprises of various libraries, services like mathlibs, compilers, profilers, debuggers, and supports programming in multiple languages. We have partnered with Microsoft to enable execution providers for Onyx Runtime and DirectML frameworks. We will deep dive into them shortly. AI workloads are offloaded to Hexagon NPU using the MCTM driver. Along with the SDK tools, we also provide open source quantization tools like AMET, which enables both post-training quantization and quantize-away training techniques. Qualcomm's Neural Processing SDK and AI Engine Direct SDK are for advanced developers. It enables you to develop AI models that can run across different Snapdragon platforms like mobile, automotive, IoT, compute, XR/VR, and many more. This SDK supports executing models on NPU, CPU, and GPU. It supports data types like integer 4, 8, 16, floating point 16, and mixed precision formats. The tools in the SDK enable IP-specific optimization, sophisticated graph sequencing, and supports many Gen AI models like LLMs, large vision models, and multimodal models. Many developers use ORT to deploy applications across different platforms, both Windows and non-Windows based. Jointly with Microsoft, we have enabled the QNN execution provider option in ORT to offload AI workloads to Hexagon NPU. QNN-EP enables AI workloads in integer 8, int 16, floating point 16, and mixed precision data type to be executed on the Hexagon NPU. It supports sophisticated graph sequencing and our IP-specific optimizations. There is a large ecosystem of application providers that traditionally use DirectML for executing their AI workloads on the GPU. In close collaboration with Microsoft, we have enabled DirectML applications to offload AI workloads to NPU. DirectML supports various quantization-based models. Soon we'll be adding many more data types to it. Let's walk through the various tools we have created to support developers at each stage of app development. The model gets developed and trained by data scientists and machine learning engineers. For them, we have created tools like Architecture Checker, Quantization Checker, Accuracy Evaluator, and Accuracy Debugger. Architecture Checker helps analyze model topology to best fit our Hexagon NPU. Quantization Checker detects potential accuracy issues in the models that help correcting encodings before deploying model on the device. Accuracy Evaluator automates quantization using different options to determine best accuracy. Accuracy Debugger provides per layer output analysis to identify operators or nodes with low accuracy. During development using the models, Performance Analyzer and 𝗬𝗎 Simulator guides developers on expected performance on the targeted devices. With an installed base of billions of AI-capable phones, PCs, and other devices in users' hands today, the potential to tap into a large amount of on-device AI processing for generative AI is already significant and poised to grow steadily in the coming years. A key question becomes which generative AI models can run on device with appropriate performance and accuracy. The great news is that very capable generative AI models are getting smaller, with on-device processing capabilities continue to improve. Here we show a broad number of generative AI capabilities that can run on device using models that range from 1 to 13 plus billion parameters. Models like Stable Diffusion and LLMs with over 1 billion parameters are already running on Snapdragon X platforms, with performance and accuracy levels similar to the cloud equivalent. And many other generative AI models with 10 billion parameters or more are slated to run on device in the near future. we have created a lot of resources for you to develop generative AI-based application. Jupyter notebooks are available for various LLMs, LVMs, and multimodal models to help you quantize, convert, and execute on the Snapdragon X platforms. Other tools like quantization, C++ sample code, add-ons are available to accelerate your application development. We have also written white papers and knowledge-based documents to guide you through modifying the model to get best performance on Snapdragon X platforms. We believe that the future of AI is hybrid. AI workloads will be distributed among cloud and edge devices to deliver more immersive user experience. On-device AI provides privacy, security, and reliability. It helps deliver personalized user experience with minimal latency. Whereas cloud instances can be used for training and running very large foundational models. We saw how we are making it easier for developers to integrate AI into their applications running on the device. Now, take a look at how we are partnering with Microsoft to enhance the end-use AI PC experience. We started developing Windows Studio Effects AI features with Microsoft on our previous Snapdragon 8cx Gen 3 platform. With our growing collaboration we are the first to launch next-gen AI features on our Snapdragon X platforms, like newer Windows Studio Effects, Recall, Live Captions, Paint Co-Creator, Automatic Super Resolution for games, and many more. With that, thank you so much for listening. Just to recap, we saw how Snapdragon platforms enable you to build applications with AI use cases. Whether you are a data scientist or an app developer, Qualcomm's AI stack offers the right tools and resources to build your next-gen AI application. Thank you.